Okay, so since I'm debating if I should bring my office up here, I'm actually going to paint the entire room this color, and then when I get the chance, I'm going to stain these. But yeah, the process has begun. So here's an update. This wall is done. I just have to touch up like right there. And then this wall is completely done. I've already taken off the tape. I don't have enough paint to go on that side, so I'll probably buy another bucket of paint so I can continue on over there, because I also want to stain these, so that'll eventually be done. So I still need to touch up some areas here. It's just hard to see, like, okay, now I can see it, but like with the glare it's hard to tell. And then this is the side I'm working on right now. I just have to touch up that right there. This is still wet. I literally just touched over that right now. And yeah, I have like a few spots left to touch up. Okay, you guys, so I'm all done with this side. I just have to put everything back. Obviously I didn't paint like the borders or the ceiling. Eventually, we don't want to keep this carpet, so once this gets torn off and everything, I can start painting, like I can finish painting the ceiling, and then like obviously we'll replace the carpet with like some wood or something. But I love it. I was able to push this in, but I didn't lean it against the wall yet because I don't know if it's dry or not. And then as you can see, this side I already ran out of paint, so I want to paint the bathroom the same, and then obviously this, and then I think it'll like tie in with doing that Jacobian stain that I got from Lowe's, and I'm basically gonna stain these cabinets that dark color, and then yeah, I think it'll really like stand out. Okay, so it is morning time and I woke up to this. It's not as messy, to be honest. Like I don't have a lot I guess. Once I bring like my office stuff, then yeah, like I'll have to start getting to organizing. Like this, yeah, definitely I have to organize. I just put everything up because I was like, I don't want to leave it that way in the morning, like today the kids wouldn't grab my stuff. Oh my god. So I just measured, my desk is like 4 feet, so I did it and it'll fit perfect. The other thing will fit here, so that's perfect. This is where the pups were at, so my sister said to put them over there. I don't know if I want them over there though. Okay, so this is how it looks with everything up here. I'm kind of like about it. I'm trying to keep a positive mindset. I don't know if I want this here yet. I might move that over there and maybe move my makeup drawer next to it, and then move my vanity more to that side and see how it looks. So yeah, this is where I'm at. I still have a lot of stuff downstairs. It's so crazy to think that I had so much and I didn't realize it, that I have a lot. So now I just gotta kind of organize it for now, and then yeah, but I'm gonna move stuff around because I don't like how it's positioned, so I'm probably gonna move this on this side with this right here, and then move this over, but that's how I'm feeling right now. Yeah, okay, so I moved this here and then this like that. You guys, I need to fix these. I've already said it millions of times. So I left this here, and then I'm leaving it there, and then probably just putting these 2 tables there, and then that other drawer that I have, putting it in here because I won't have room. I do have to bring my cart up here, my chair, my other chair goes here. So I have a lot, and it looks, like I said, cluttered, but that's okay, I guess. Like I said, eventually I will probably just have my own little place. So this I'm gonna keep up here because I really like how it looks. Like I said, it didn't look cute, but like with this gray, it looks super cute. I didn't like it. I didn't like how it looked with the color we had before, but I really like it. I actually had it in there, but I'm gonna put something fall related in there for them. My sister has to clean all this. This is mine. This and then the scissors, but the rest is her stuff. So I'm not touching any of that. She's going to handle that because you guys already have a lot on my plate. And anyway, she has to decide which ones to get rid of. So I'm keeping this here. Like low-key, I want to get rid of my vanity just to have like craft space, but that's just like impulsive me that just wants more space because I hate clutter. Like I hate clutter, you know? And I'm a hoarder, so yeah. I don't know, we'll figure something out. It's looking good so far, I guess. It's temporarily, I guess. It'll be here for years. Just kidding. My medicine's on the floor. I just have a mess, you guys. My allergies are kicking in right now, like really bad. And I'm starting to get really lazy to clean up. And I'm just like really tired. I've made so many trips up and down the stairs. It's not even funny. So far, this is all I have. I still have to put my shelf up. So I need to just have everything here. And then I just put the boxes there. So I just put like the boxes there and then that there. I don't know how I feel about it, but like I said, I'm learning to love it. I don't know where to put my lamps yet either. They're not going to be there permanently, but I am going to go downstairs to wash. I still need to make my leaves for that. And then, yeah. And you guys, I literally just fixed those drawers and they keep falling, so I need to... They're not even heavy. The heaviest one is the one with all the glue, the second drawer. And the rest just keep falling. It's so annoying. So I'm just gonna have to figure out how to get them to stay up. And then my TV's still over there because, like I said, my shelves. And then I just have a bag of trash. And then I have just a few things there. I need to get my poster. It fell. I need to get it on a foam board so when I take pictures, it won't like crinkle up or anything since it is paper. But yeah. And I still haven't hung that up yet because I need to figure out where my shelf is gonna go before anything else. And then my beautiful cow, but I'm so excited, I guess. This is gonna go here. I just need to organize the boxes and stuff. I'm not entirely done. I need a break. Okay, you guys, so it's been like over a month since I filmed the previous clips that you guys just watched, but I just want to update you guys with everything because I never showed you guys like the actual final look of the room. So I still have a mess because I have cups here. I'm gonna show you guys like my little plan. So I plan to clean this all out and then just put like everything that I have like in stock up here. So that's the plan. That's going to be like my weekend project. So my vanity is here. I need to put a picture there, but I kept it like this. And then here's my desk. I hung the shelf up. I put my TV there with the camera and a calendar. And then my cart is here. So I put all this here. My nephew isn't here to grab everything. When he comes upstairs, he does grab these markers. But he hardly grabs anything now. So I put all the glitters in here, my adhesive spray, all the electronic stuff down here. And then my vinyl is still in these drawers. And then I bought a new trash can, you guys, to match my like my theme going on here. So it's a teal trash can and it's a lot bigger. I haven't taken it out because I'm cleaning the room currently. So yeah, I put my camera up there and then my TV. My laptop's here, and then like my charger station and all that. And then I have like a little thing where I put my Halloween candy. My sister has been eating it. And it's already the end of Halloween, but I mean, it's November 1st. I'm so excited, you guys, for the holidays. But anyway, so I put my scale over here, and then I just have trash bag and then my charger. With the fires going on, I decided to not leave it connected. I try not to leave like anything connected like this. I don't have connected. Either way, I don't keep it connected just in case the kids were to ever switch it on. It does not turn on, because if they do switch it on, it automatically starts heating up. So yeah, whew, that was a lot. So I have my what is this, laminator here, because I don't know where else to put it. All my boxes I put back here, and then I have some here because I just don't know where to put them. And then here I put all my glues and paints in here because they are heavy for the other storage I have over here. And then here is a little messy, but I kept this here because I don't know where to put these. I have gloves, zip ties, staplers, glue guns, tape, and then rubber bands. Down here, you guys already know I have like my ribbons and stuff. And then my heat press I kept here. My babies I kept in this corner. But yeah, and then the little bead my sister had given, she gave it to me. And I think I had her up here. I don't remember. Oh no, I had her over there, downstairs when I had my craft room downstairs. But I decided to move her here. So that works out just fine. My babies are doing just fine. I feel bad because I feel like they're cornered and you can't see my baby down there. But I still talk to them, so they're good. So there's that. My bed is right here. My chair is all dirty. So then, like I told you guys, my makeup drawer thing is here. And then this is still a mess, you guys. It's a lost cause. I don't like this, to be honest with you guys. I hate it. The drawers don't stay still. I think it's just too heavy. Literally, I just have like paper in all of them. Well, most of them. But nothing too heavy, you guys, for it to be falling. I would say this is probably the heaviest one because it has like tape and like guns. It has glue. But it's not that heavy and it just keeps falling, so I gave up on it. And then I spray painted this gold so it goes with my theme. As you guys know, well, I don't think you guys know, but this was for my Sweet 16. It had like bows here, like greenery, and I had it over there. And it was black, and it had like the date of my quince and everything. But I spray painted it gold to go along with the theme, and I moved it here. So I'll show you guys this in a second. I moved my machine here, and then all this here. Moving on over here, this is my sister's mess. I'm not cleaning it up. I moved the printer on this side with my lights here for now, and then my board. I just cleaned the board today. Usually I'll put like orders or goals. It takes forever. Usually the orders I just keep in mind. It's just because, you know, I don't like to erase and keep writing. It's a hassle. So anyways, this is like my favorite wall of all time. You guys, adding all this like just makes it pop. So I decided instead of having it on this side that I would just move it all on one wall, and it really stands out with the Eiffel Tower. And I am completely obsessed. Like this it's just beautiful. So I love it. It's like my favorite wall of all time. I love looking at it, especially because our bed is right here. So I could just stare at it at night or when I wake up in the morning. You guys, like, I adore this wall so much. Like, that's my work. I did that. Like, it's amazing. So, yeah. So there's that. And then here's a little overview of this and my lonka. I'm expecting, just kidding, expecting some food. I'm kidding, but, yeah, so this is that. I still have a mess down there that I need to clean up, but like I said, I'm still working on it. But I just want to show you guys like the progress I've done from the previous clips. That way you guys get an idea of what I have so far. And then before I end this video, I do want to show you guys, I'm gonna post a clip if I have one of my craft room that I had downstairs when I had painted it. So I never showed you guys, and it kind of sucks that I never showed you guys, because like my craft room is obviously upstairs now, but my craft room downstairs was this color too, and I had it like all decorated and whatnot, and I had like this little shelf and everything. So if I find a clip, I'll show you guys so you guys can see how it looked before I brought everything up here. And yeah, so here is a little overview, and I'm excited, and I love it. So what do we think? Let me know if you guys like it and what else I should add to it.